You've probably heard this advice. Find something you love, stick to it and keep doing it until you get monetized. Sounds simple, right? But what if I told you that niching down too early could actually hurt your growth? Stick with me and I'll show you a better way. A simple way to find your dream niche without feeling stuck or burnt out. When you are just starting on YouTube, you don't often know what you want. You just know you are excited to create videos. But here is the issue. Most people get stuck in a loop I call the cue, craving, and response cycle. It all starts with the YouTube algorithm. You are watching videos and the algorithm picks up on what you like. Soon, similar videos flood on your screen. Over time, you notice a pattern. Creators talking about the same topic over and over. You think, I've been watching this a lot. Maybe I could do this too. At this point, it's not just the big creators showing up anymore. Smaller creators in the same niche start popping up too. You see their growth. Some even blow up overnight. And you think, if they can do it, so can I. That excitement builds and now you are ready to jump in and start your channel. This is where you take action. You start your channel, pick a niche and dive in. You tell yourself, I just need to stay consistent and the algorithm will reward me. But here is the catch. You are now boxed into a niche that might not be the right fit. The truth is, YouTube is a long-term game. Niching down too soon can trap you into a cycle of content you don't enjoy. You feel stuck, uninspired, and eventually you might burn out. This happened to me when I first started my channel. I didn't know what to create, so I started watching tons of videos about YouTube growth. vidIQ, Think Media, TubeBuddy, and the like. So one day I thought, why not start a channel and talk about YouTube? I followed the advice, picked a niche, designed a banner, wrote a description, and started uploading. But with every video I made, the less excited I felt to make the next. I was just copying what I thought would work. Then one day I got a copyright strike on my only successful video. My motivation dropped and I stopped creating altogether. Looking back, I realized the problem wasn't YouTube. It was the advice. Niching down too early made it impossible to pivot when I needed to. That's why I developed the 3P framework. Proficiency, passion, and problem. Start with proficiency. It is what you know best right now. If you've been watching a lot of videos about a specific topic, chances are you've picked up some knowledge. It could be gaming, travel, tech, or anything else. Use that as your starting point. Next, think about what you genuinely love to do outside YouTube. What excites you? What could you talk about on hours on end without losing interest? Passion will keep you motivated when things get tough. Finally, consider the problem you are trying to solve in your own life. Maybe you are learning a new skill, improving your health, or tackling productivity. The best way to learn is by teaching, and documenting your journey can inspire others. Here is a simple exercise to get started. Draw 3 columns on a piece of paper, each one representing proficiency, passion, and problem. Write down 5 ideas for each column. Don't overthink, just brainstorm. You now have 15 video ideas from 3 different niches. Try them out, experiment, and see what sticks. This approach allows you to test the waters without feeling boxed in. Over time, you will discover what works best for you, and that's when you can niche down. By experimenting with the 3P framework, you are not just finding any niche, you are finding your niche. You are learning valuable skills along the way. How to create thumbnails, edit videos, hook viewers, and analyze your performance. Most importantly, you are building confidence in front of the camera, a skill that every creator needs. This is the strategy I'm using for my channel, and I would love for you to join me on this journey. Right now, my channel is at 66 subscribers, but who knows, if you're watching this in the future and have grown, it means the 3P framework works. Try it out for yourself, brainstorm your 3Ps, start experimenting and let me know how it goes in the comments. And while you are at it, don't forget to like the video. It tells the algorithm to share the video with more creators like you. Oh, and before you go, say something random like Nike shoes in the comments, just to confuse the people that didn't watch till the end.